Today we're going to be heading out in one of our tinnies here at Malabar. They're heading out there. We're going to be going to the flathead grounds out here off Yellow Rock. So we're using standard bait rigs, and we're going over the sand flats to see how we go today. Should be a good day. Estimated time to be out there for about 4 hours. It's Australia Day in 2022, and we'll see how we go, guys. So we'll get the boat ready, put it down and launch it down here. Ready to go. Ready? So we're heading out now, heading right out here, out to the, about 2 k's out, 3 k's out to the sand, fishing about 30 metres of water, and we'll see how we go. There's the sunrise, beautiful. He's the captain here, Frank, ready to go. Here he is, the captain. You got it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm getting off. He's a big one, Frank. Oh, you're kidding, a stingray. That'll do me. That'll do me.
Look at that.
That's a good one, brother. Hey, they're back. Look at that.
Go on the car?
Yeah, go on there, Frank, catching a boat, mate. How you going? The Gladstone. What have you been catching? You caught a few over there. You got a few there. Yeah, we got a what, about 70 or 60? Yeah. But it's just gone dead.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
I got up there the first drift for about a couple hundred metres.
Yeah.
They started coming on.
Yeah, so it's just been, it just dropped right. It's dropped right off now, but
yeah,
it's just gone.
How many you got? Oh, good one. Good one.
Oh.
Good one, mullet. You're not touching the flathead.
What are you using? Squid?
No.
What is it?
That's me flathead. The offcuts of me flathead. Oh, right. So when I fillet them, you know, the rib cage. Oh, right. I just keep the rib cage. I haven't got a bite on flathead. Rib cage is the skin. Oh, right. Shit. And I tell you now, you'll catch 10 flathead off a piece of skin. Yeah? Yeah. You got your 10, haven't you? I got 10. Oh. I haven't come back again. Hey? I haven't come back again. Oh, fuck, go and come back again. How many has got?
We got 5.
Oh, fuck you if you don't catch heaps more then.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Mutton bird curse. Isn't it? Where'd he come from?
You're showing off now. Just a bit.
Hey, go away. Piss off. Oh, no.
You got a fish on?
Yeah. This one's hanging around. That's a good one too, Frank.
Oh, it's you. It's you.
No.
Oh, beauty. Doubler!
A doubler! He's got a doubler! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! I tell you what!
Bloody another bite.
Oh, Whitey! Oh, a doubler!
Don't give us that one, you've got too many.
It's all firing down here today, folks, at the MCG. Might be a ray. No, that's a nice. It's a good. It's a 90.
Yeah? It's a fucking shark.
Yeah, it's a shark, I think.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh no.
They go around the surface of the shark.
No, it's not. This is a frank beast.
Oh, good one, yes. Whoa, look at that. Get it in. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a beast.
You might beat mine.
Oh, mate, I'll smash yours, Frankie boy. Hey,
Eh?
hey. Oh,
You done Philip?
you got it here. Yeah.
Want to hit it with a hammer?
Oh, I got it. There, I'll just flip him.
Then strike you.
Got him.
Wow. Wow, look at that. What's she weigh? 2.5?
Swallow your fucking
You'll
baby.
get more water now.
Swallow your babies, mate.
What's that do me, don't you?
Good catch for the two of you up there, that's great. Yeah, big day. Look at him, yeah, not bad. Couple of good ones there. Mick had a blinder, caught all those ones through there. Malabar Boat Owners is really kicking goals here, everyone's using the ramp. Despite all the obstacles that we're having down here now for our members. It's full on. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and there's a lot of conflict out here at the moment, the ramp, as you can see, everywhere all the way through, you know what I mean? But that's what we'll go with the flow.